Hi, a very good morning to all. Uh, on Friday, the Indian market sparked some gains which it had acquired in the last couple of weeks. After a free fall from 6,000 on the Nifty, the market made a low of about 5,500. And then from there on, the market has been buoyed by the low inflation number, which has instilled optimism in a lot of market participants that there'll be aggressive easing from RBI from this point in time. The inflation data for the month of March came in at a very low number of below 6%. The number was 5.96. That's the WPI number. So this is causing a lot of optimism in the markets, and many expect RBI to cut the CRR as well as the repo cut at the next RBI policy meeting this Friday, 3rd of May. So we feel that that is what's probably the base reason which has driven the market from 5,500, and it closed yesterday just touched below 5,900. Uh, on Friday, the US markets also paused some gains that required in the last week due to a lower than expected estimate data of the first quarter CY13 GDP for the world's largest economy. It came in at a handy 2.5% versus expectations of about 3%. So clearly, there are signs that the world's fastest economy is on a recovery mode, although the recovery is yet fragile, and hence we expect the Federal Reserve to continue its aggressive QE and continue buying $85 billion worth of mortgage-backed securities and government bonds, and we don't foresee any premature withdrawal of the QE, which is the biggest risk to the market at this point in time. The European markets also have been participating in the global up move in the last week or so. Also, there has been expectations that the European Central Bank will cut rates to a record low of 0.5% because clearly the data from the economic activity, unemployment, consumer spending has not been good in the European nations. Germany also has been in the last 3 or 4 months has been entailed in reporting bad data along with the peripheral countries. Stock specific action, Maruti Suzuki touched a 52-week high on Friday, buoyed by stellar results, which was mainly driven by the depreciation of the yen due to aggressive monetary policy easing by the Japanese central bank. Sesagova today reported a profit way much lower than the estimates, hence we expect a negative action in today's market for that stock. Uh, in the realty space, there is clearly the picture is clear that the residential prices in Mumbai are clearly not affordable. Uh, Premium developers like Lodha Builders and Endeavour Real Estate have been launching their new projects with very attractive schemes and about 15 to 20% discount at current prevailing market prices. And still, they are not really able to see the buoyant demand that was expected. So clearly, there is a bit of slowdown, especially in the Mumbai and the NCR realty space. Realty companies in Bangalore are expected to perform better there than their peers because the affordability is much better in Bangalore compared to Mumbai and NCR. We expect the market to be sideways for today's day, and the major influential factor for this week would be on Friday, the RBI monetary policy. Thanks very much.